Hey guys, my name is Prince and welcome to another video. So today in this video we're going to be talking about the annoying ads that's on most of Xiaomi devices. So I have the Redmi Note 9 Pro here with me, which is crazily loaded with ads. Everywhere you go, ads go with you. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable the ad on this phone. This same process would work with other Xiaomi devices that run on the MIUI 12 and below. So let's get started. So to get started, we need to go to the settings tab. So head over to settings, then you scroll down to password and security. Then you go down to authorization and revocation. So you disable the MSA. It should give you a pop-up that asks for revoking authorization. You will do that. There are cases where you try that sometimes and it doesn't work. Just keep tapping it till it goes through. So you wait for it to finish the process. So that's done. Then the next thing is to go to privacy, still under settings. Then under privacy you have your ads, opt out of ads personalization. So once that is done, we'll have to exit settings all the way back to the menu. So I'm going to open the security tab. That's the security app. So first thing first, under you hit the gear icon, then go down to recommendations. So you disable receive recommendations and load using Wi-Fi. You disable that too. So you head out here, then under cleaner, you open cleaner, you hit the gear icon, scroll down, take down receive recommendation, load using Wi-Fi. Once we're done here, you open deep clean tool, hit the menu icon. Okay, I think this is done. Then you go back to manage apps, hit the menu, settings, notify about updates, and take down recommendations too. I think we're done here. So you go down to the downloads folder, you open that, hit the three gear icon, settings, show recommendation, turn that off, then you hit OK. Then we leave this downloads tab, you go open the file manager, hit this menu, settings, about, you turn off recommendation also. Then we go to the music app. Okay, music app, settings, then advanced settings, scroll down, show ads, you turn this off. Then the last place here is the themes app. Themes. Okay, here. Then my page. Then you scroll down to settings. Then you turn off ads, then personalized recommendation. So I think that's it. Once all those are disabled, you should have a phone that's free of ads. Thank you guys for watching and catch you guys in the next one.